Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. Hope you all are fine and safe at home. This is the online video by Britain International School System. Today, we are going to study your favorite subject, English. So now, take out your English Fluency book. As you know, these are the characters. So our next unit name is A Big Surprise. Let's recall the previous unit in your mind as Ben has got the picture. They have solved the puzzle. And now we'll see what will happen in this unit. Which kind of surprise is this? Now listen the reading carefully and do this practice back at home twice or thrice.
Unit 18. A Big Surprise. The Golden Lantern was a Chinese restaurant. It was Nina's favorite restaurant.
I came here with my mum and dad. I'm hungry.
Me too.
Let's go inside.
They went inside. A waiter greeted them.
Welcome to the Golden Lantern. Please follow me.
The waiter took them to a long table next to the window. There were some people at the table. Who were they?
Surprise!
It was Nina's mum and dad. Nina gave them a big hug.
Mum! Dad! You're home!
Hello, Nina.
How are you? I'm fine.
Tell me about the picture.
Where did you find it? We found it in the Black Tower. No, we didn't.
We found it in the Red Tower.
Well, you are very clever children.
Now, let's have a lovely dinner. What about the puzzler, Dad? Who is he?
Where is he?
Oh, look at the window. It's the puzzler.
Ha-ha! You can't catch me!
Oh, yes, we can.
Stop!
Come back. Run.
Quick! Wait for me!
It's time to say goodbye, goodbye from the city. Say goodbye, wave goodbye. It's time to say goodbye, goodbye from the city. Goodbye, see you soon. We went to the museum and the maze in the theatre and the castle with its tower so dark. It's time to say goodbye, goodbye from the city. Goodbye, see you soon. We found all the puzzles and we solved them too. We found the missing picture and so did you. It's time to say goodbye, goodbye from the city. Goodbye, see you soon. It's time to say goodbye, goodbye from the city. Say goodbye, wave goodbye. It's time to say goodbye, goodbye from the city. Goodbye, see you soon.
Nina has got surprised. Her parents were there in the Chinese restaurant. And as you know, Ben has got the missing picture. Nina and her friends are very happy. And now they are saying goodbye to the city. They all are happy because they have found the missing picture which was missing from the city museum. I hope you all have enjoyed the whole story. And this is our last unit. Now, let me tell you the words to be highlighted. Restaurant, waiter, favorite, greeted, children, clever, lovely, theatre, catch, solved, quick, wave. Now highlight all these words and read them according to their puff sounds. I hope you all have enjoyed today's video. Thank you so much. May Allah bless you. Allah Hafiz.